All right, we're gonna do a real quick organizing idea today because I've been up since 4 a.m. and I'm tired. And yes, there's always coffee in this mug. That's why I hold it. Divide your drawers. Divide your drawers. That's my organizing advice today. I'm gonna show you my kitchen utensil drawer in a second. In mine that I haven't touched this one, and mine's like we put stuff away, but I haven't reorganized it or tidied it up in quite some time. This is why I tell people to divide their drawers. It gives structure and it helps to maintain all the hard work you put into organizing it. I'm gonna show you in a minute what I have in my drawers, and I don't care what you put in your drawers. Right now I have these spring-loaded bamboo drawer dividers because my drawers are big, they're long, makes sense for the cooking utensils. But I don't care, you can do something like this. You can do these ones from the dollar store, although I don't love these because they have like slanted sides, so you're really just leaving storage space on the table. That's what you like, you do you. I much prefer something with straight edges up and down, so that way you're really maximizing that space. You don't actually need to buy anything. You can use something like an old shoebox without a lid if your budget's a little lower. Here is the drawer in question, the one I wanted to show you. Well, it definitely could use some organizing love. This really isn't bad at all. I mean, there's also some crumbs, but we're gonna leave that for today. I don't have the energy. I just finished resetting this space, including vacuuming it out and wiping the whole thing down, which I wasn't planning to do. It took me 6 minutes and what, Ben? 6 minutes and
20 seconds.
6 minutes and 20 seconds with vacuuming, with wiping, with reorganizing. I filmed the whole thing, but I told you I've been up since 4, so I don't know. I deleted it again. Great. Anyway, this is what it looks like now. Let me show you. Here it is, reorganized. As you can see, I have these like spring-loaded drawer dividers. It really gives structure, and I kind of have our least used stuff over here, and then the middle is our most used stuff. It's a really tall drawer, so I'm able to fit things in like this, if you can kind of see. We did actually get rid of 2 things. Don't remember the last time I used it, and I have something else that can pretty much serve the same purpose. This used to be in like a shaker. I kept it because River liked to play with it, and I think we're done with that now. So there you have it for today. Divide your drawers. Try and tackle one drawer in your kitchen today. Let me know if you're able to, and follow along to keep getting organized.